Fly of the Month. I am Jan Nimick, and this is Cutter's Goblin. Originally out of Truckee, California. Ralph and Lisa Cutter there ran a school of fly fishing, still do, just on the other side of the border, from Nevada, from us here. I'm going to start here with the 2X long streamer hook with about 20 wraps of 0.25 lead. Quite a bit. It might be 18 wraps, but quite a few. Really ideal, ideally for spring conditions, heavy flows or turbid lakes. The two colors, the contrasting colors, are an excellent choice for spring. Tail is going to be about the same length as the body there. And get that secured just on the other side of the lead so we keep kind of a consistent body. Not making too big of a mess. Alright, our body is just standard black chenille. This is really a woolly bugger with a fancy note to it being that rabbit strip down the back, which is going to come in next here. I've trimmed just a small tag there you can see to secure backwards and upside down. Right at the back. So when I pull it over, we'll get that kind of rear facing fur. Okay. Hackle feather's going to go in just like a standard woolly bugger. I'm going to create a tag there to tie it in. That all secured down, move forward. Alright, bodies first. We'll start by wrapping that forward. Remember, we need just a little bit of space for that rabbit strip to go down. Yeah, we're going to back it up one. Alright, then we'll move our hackle forward. That secured. Again, this is a really effective fly for Truckee. I fished on a little Truckee quite a few times over on the other side of the border. Certainly the East Walker and Carson Rivers. Alright, we got that hackle palmered and secured down. Now I'm going to bring the rabbit strip forward. Trim this a little bit long to start. Pull it over nice and snug. We'll get that secured with a couple wraps and then get this trimmed back. Clean it up. Get a whip finish on it. Good drop of super glue. And that is Cutter's Goblin.